Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you something different. Today I have received a product from ASM Artistry. The product from ASMR, though this is how the packaging looks like. This is so cute and it comes in a black case. Inside this there was two popping candies which I have already showed you in the starting of the video, and a butterfly with a small card with scan code where you can get a discount if you do purchase from the website. By end of the video I'll give you the coupon code in my description box down below, so you can buy the products from that website in discount. So coming back to the product, this is how the black case looks like, and there is a band-aid over here. So the sticker I've already opened and just should open like this. The case is so damn beautiful. Now you must be wondering what is there in this case. So here I'm gonna show you one beautiful lipstick from ASMR range. So just look at this case. This open like this. You can see the product inside. This is what the lipstick is. This necklace is really beautiful. I'm really gonna wear this. I'll just take this out and I will use this as my necklace. So inside, this is how the bullet lipstick looks like. This is vegan and this is cruelty free. You can see the bullet is such a classy packaging. It's so pigmented. So this is how it looks on my lips. Such a beautiful red sexy color. Frankly speaking, I don't like red much. I always go for pink color. So if you see my collections of lipstick, you will get all shades of pink color, pink or brown color. I really love pink or brown, but this red is really beautiful. I'm really impressed with this color actually. So it's not completely matte. You can see the shine on my lips, so it's quite dewy and shiny. It's very hydrating and I'm feeling very light on my lips. Actually, I was worried that it has shimmery particles in this, so it should not look so shiny. I really don't like very much glitter particles on my lips, but thankfully it doesn't look glittery at all. It is looking dewy matte finish. The color payoff is really good. With one swipe you get 100% intensity of the color, so you don't have to swipe it again and again. With one swipe you're good to go. When I just showed you the lipstick, it looks quite shiny, but once after the application it really doesn't look shiny at all. It gives a dewy matte finish with a very healthy hydrating lips. So if we see the transfer test, it gets transferred a lot. Yes, as it is not completely matte, so it gets transferred. Perfect red color which will suit all skin tone. This lipstick is just amazing. You can buy any other shade of your choice, whichever you want. I just thought of buying red this time because I don't have much red collections. The packaging is quite heavy and very classic. It has a very smooth finish. It is very buttery on the lips once you apply this and give a uniform color. The color payoff is really good and it's very opaque. I have a pigmented lips and I have applied this lipstick without any lip liner, but still the real color of my lips cannot be seen through. So if you want to buy the lipstick from the ASMR range, so you can check out their website. I'll just mention the link in the description box down below, and you can use the coupon Makeup Tips by Jyoti 15 and you'll get 15% of discount on your purchase. So that's it guys, that was my whole review and experience about this ASMR lipstick. I hope you really enjoyed this video. If you did, please click on the like button and do subscribe to my channel for more such videos, and there is a notification bell next to the subscribe button. Don't forget to click on that. So I'll mention the coupon code, that is Makeup Tips by Jyoti15, for 15% of discount in the description box down below. Also, you use that coupon code during your purchases. So see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.